Hey, welcome to the 5-minute full body yoga stretch if you are short on time or if you want quick, gentle stretch to release tension from your body. Let's get started in a seated variation. Stretch out your left leg to the side, bend the right leg, right foot is closer to your left inner thigh. Reach your right arm up, left arm either on your left leg or inside of your left leg. Grow tall as you breathe in, exhale, lean to the left. Keep pressing the right sit bone towards the mat. Inhale up, right hand to the side, exhale, reaching up and over to the right, left arm up and over. One more time, swaying side by side. As you inhale, come back to the center, twist to the right, left hand to the outer right thigh. Left hand just goes behind you, twist from the middle of your chest. Few breaths. Release, keeping your right hand as is right behind you. Pick up your hips as you reach out through your left arm. Exhale, release. And then forward fold towards your left leg. Both hands either sides of your left leg. Always welcome to bend the extended leg. Keep pressing the left heel down. Walk your hands forward. Exhale, go as forward as you can. And then release your head towards the leg. Few deep belly breaths here. Ease out of the pose. Repeat the same on the other side. Extend the right leg. Bend the left and left foot is closer to your right inner thigh and groin. Again, starting swaying side by side like a palm tree. Keep your right hand inside of your right leg. Reach your left arm up, leaning to the right as you open the left side body. Exhale, inhale up, exhale to the other side. One more sway on your own. The next breath in, come all the way up to the center. Exhale, twist to the left. Right hand to the outer left thigh. Left hand goes behind you. Maybe gaze over your left shoulder if that is okay for your neck. Pull your navel in with each exhale. And then release the twist. Left hand is still behind you. And pick up your hips as you reach your right arm up and above. Open your heart. Exhale, release your sit bones onto the mat. For forward fold, face towards the right leg. Hands to the side of your right leg. Keep pressing the right heel onto the mat. Your right knee is facing the ceiling. Go forward as you exhale at your own degree. Let the head hang heavy towards the leg. Nice long deep breaths. Notice a stretch at the back of your leg. Slide your hands back. Lift yourself up as you breathe in. Get the soles of your feet together. Pasupta Baddha Konasana and forward fold. Maybe swaying your neck side by side, or you may want to stay still. Release. Lift yourself up back to the center for downward facing dog. Place your hands onto the mat, coming onto your knees. Tuck your toes, bend your knees, send your hips back to the sky. Maybe pedaling up your feet by extending and bending one leg at a time, stretching out the ankles, calf, the entire back of our leg. If your heels are not touching, no worries. Keep pressing the heels towards the mat. And then release, rippling through your spine, coming all the way into your plank, and then come all the way onto your bellies with control for baby cobra. Hands beside your chest, peel your chest open as you breathe in. Exhale, roll down your forehead. One more time, feeling your chest open. Exhale, roll down. This time, extending your arms. See if you can. It's totally optional. It depends on how much intensity you want. Maybe gaze over your left shoulder and then right. One more time. Come back to the center. Release your belly just onto the mat. Tuck your toes. Push through your hands. Lift yourself up. Send your hips back for a wide-legged child's pose. Knees mat width apart or together. Rest your chest, forehead onto the mat. Arms forward. Few deep breaths. Just notice the difference now as opposed to the beginning of the class. Slide your hands back, lift yourself up, find your way back into any seated variation. You're welcome to come back to it whenever you feel you need a gentle stretch in a short time. Put your hands at your heart center, bowing forwards. Namaste.